In my last video, I showed you how much I was paid for 1000 views, and in this video, I'll be showing you how much YouTube paid me for 10,000 views on my YouTube video. As you can see, this particular video, I have about 10,000 views on it, so that's what we'll be checking out. This video has the impression of 63.9k and impression click-through rate 8.8%, and the view I have 10,000.1, and the unique viewers, so I got this view from about 7.4 thousand people. Engagement, I have about 553.4 watch time in hours. That's quite high compared to my other videos. We've discussed this, and I have about 146 additional YouTube subscribers just from this video. And you can see most of my viewers are from Nigeria, Ghana, United States, and even some of these United States might be people from Nigeria, Ghana that are using VPN. So the revenue part, which is why we are here, 32.81 for 10,000 views. This one is quite different from the earnings. If you have to divide this by 10, that's around $3.2 for every 1000 views, which is different from the 1000 views from my last video. How much advertiser paid? They've not calculated the last 2 days, which means if they calculated the last 2 days, it might be slightly higher than this. And they said advertiser actually paid 6.49 for every 1k, and they are giving me 3.2, which is about 50% of what advertisers are actually paying YouTube. And they said the way the earning come about, the skippable video ads make up about 71% of the earnings, display ads 21%, bumper ads 5.5%, non-skippable ads 1%. I think the earnings is actually higher compared to my last video because this video is over 8 minutes, which means there will be ad in between the videos, not just at the beginning. But for the previous one that I showed you, it is about 3 minute video, which means ad will only be at the beginning, which means they can't insert ad into the video. That's why it is advisable to make videos that are longer than 8 minutes. In summary, I earned $32.81 for 10,000 views. Thanks for watching. Bye.